Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is 6:56 a.m. Central Standard Time on 1/11/2022. That's 111222. Interesting day today. And we are missing from 1 to 1. We got 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and a half hours roughly on our Schumann. Over on our Russian model at Disclosure News TV. What? They're in Disclosure News. What the crap? Why do we have 28 hours of missing data? And then, of course, we've got a nice little power spike here. I think that's 25, yet power is 25. So what happened in here? How powerful was this? This guy was at 58. So what was this? It's got to make you wonder what happened. Let's go check out our Italian model. This is our Italian model. Once again. And this here is our electromagnetic field. We can see that there was definitely some activity going on. And then, like I was saying, they shut it. They like dampened it down even more. See how this is red? You got a big spike here, and it's really red down here at the bottom. They keep adjusting it. I don't know why they're doing it. I mean, look at how it just bows like that. There is activity going on, and they're turning it down so we can't really see what's going on. I don't know why. Well, I guess I could always speculate, but it doesn't mean that I'm right. And again, they're doing the same thing here. Look at how loud this is. Look at these spikes on the Diggum geophones. That is a lot of noise. This is very loud. And I mean very loud. I mean, look how thick that is. We've got spikes here, but they definitely got it cranked down. They don't want us to see what's happening. You guys remember what this thing used to look like? It would just be going off the charts. It'd just be blasting right through. There's some other stuff to show you. Over here at Space Weather Prediction Center.noaa.gov, we're looking at LASCO C3 and LASCO C2. We can clearly see we've got ourselves a nice little friend right here. How you doing, buddy? But don't forget, this is upside down now, folks. See where the arm is now? It's up here now. It was down here. And we'll kind of go back to it. There's definitely friend activity, if you will, UFOs, spaceships, whatever you want to call them. There's plenty of activity, but now we're upside down, and it feels totally awkward now, doesn't it? But it's amazing how they have Venus in the right place, and you still got this. Something is coming out of Venus or shooting Venus. I don't know, but there's still something here, and it is definitely hidden. I'm not able to. Ooh, there's one there. How you doing, buddy? Actually, it almost looks like an arrow, doesn't it? Kind of looks like an arrow, but what it is, it's a triangle right here. See that? It's a TR3B, and this is the propulsion of him was coming from this direction, so he's going this way. You see all the little pop, little boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's from the pulse engine that he's got. It's literally called a nuclear pulse engine drive. The United States has had that for quite some time. So really, being upside down, this guy is going up, not down. I'm wondering if they're trying to signify as above, so below. You guys think? Let me know in the comments. Uh-oh. Borg cube. Oh, yeah. We're missing. Look at that. There's 33, 35 minutes worth of data there. Gone. Oh, and that's when we flip. So we're looking at almost 3 hours. Or 8 hours. That's a solid 7 hours and 4 minutes. Borg cube. Flip. And over here we actually got more time missing. Look at that. 1548 to 22. It's a good 7 hours and, 8 minutes. And we got another half an hour missing there. Look at that. Another. Oh no, that's just 12 minutes. That's a good one. There's another half hour missing there. I mean, look at all that time missing. And there's friends all over the place. Hey, friends. But, are you guys noticing this thing right here coming out? Oh yeah, got him on seeds. Oh, there's another friend here. And here we've got 3 of them. We've got one here, and one here. I'm going to show you, starting with the top. You can clearly see him here, but if you look behind him, look how close let me get. So this is him, right? Doesn't this look like a Borg cube behind him? It's outlined right here, really nice. Take a screenshot if you want to, or go to Space Weather Prediction Center.noaa.gov, and then go to LASCO, and you'll see it. You know, and zoom in on it. This looks like a Borg cube right behind him. That's interesting. And then we'll come down here, and you can clearly see this guy. I don't see a Borg cube behind him. Well, actually, I might right here in the corner. So maybe they're being chased by these Borg cubes. Who knows? And then there's this guy, and you can see the trail coming up behind him. That's pretty crazy. But let's go check out seeds. And here we are at seeds. This is near real time, and we can clearly see there's a nice little object here. This is where we left off last night. And as we go to advance, you can see it right over here too as well. See it getting pushed? You clearly see there's something there. Very clearly. And it gets kind of pushed out of the way and rolled over by the plasma. And we've also got we're going to have some activity up here on the left. We can see this. There's absolutely something there, and the plasma is going around it. You can actually see it right here. Remember I was telling you it's right here. Whoop. Being pushed off. But what's most interesting though is, remember I was telling you there was 2 pops? 2 bangerangs? Well, over here on at the Enlil prediction model at spaceweatherlive.com, they're not showing it. They are showing one heck of a hit with plasma though on the 13th. Isn't that the day that I said that we would be getting hit the other just last night when I showed the 2 if it was facing us? That's kind of odd that they're going to give us this 30 centimeters cubed on, well, it'd technically be the 14th would be the peak of it, but it starts before that. As it starts rising, it actually starts rising on the 13th. But now this is the Space Weather Prediction Center's model, but when you come down here to Enlil, the Anunnaki wannabe god, it's just showing 1. Now, it could be that the both of them happened, and if you look, it's actually changed a little bit. It was more down here, the arc was, but now all of a sudden it's changed. I'm wondering if maybe they changed this around so that way, you know, it looks like it's coming out in a different location. Because it was coming out more down here. But if we look at it, it looks like just 1. You can't really see 2 of them at all that fire off. However, over on the European Space Agency's model, known as Euphoria, yes, Euphoria, it does show both of them. 1, 2. It shows both explosions. Both of them are black, which is 60 centimeters cubed right off the sun. So, let's see what we've got going on here. As far as, now this is, today's the 10th, or no, today's the 11th. So this is right about where we're at. Getting, we're actually in a little bit of a low spot. But look at this baby, just instantaneously spike up. What is that? The 14th? About 8 a.m. So that's actually in line with the Space Weather Prediction Center's take of the attack. But notice how we're here. It's right here too. I find that to be quite peculiar. Back over at spaceweatherlive.com, we're looking at our HMI magnetogram, looking at our sunspots, and we have 2924, and it looks like they are staying a good distance apart. Thank goodness for that, because that could have been really bad. This had X flare potential, and look at this. 2926 joined us, so we got 2924, 2925, and 26 showed up. Remember, we just had these 3 here, and 26 was missing. Well, here he is, right there. 2926. So here's 7. This is probably going to be named 2928. By later on this afternoon, we'll keep an eye on that, and I will do a report on it if it shows up. And over here on Solar Dynamics Observatory, looking at 94 angstroms of light, it looks like we did have a C flare pop off. It's not a very big one, it's a small one, and it actually comes off from this area right here. Not here, but right about over here. We can see it kind of light up. Oh, see that little friend over there? There's a bunch of them zinging by the sun right now. And right here, it should pop right up. There it is. Yep, that's where we got our C flare from. So other than that, let's go check for plasma release out of it. Now over here at 304 angstroms of light, where we can see our plasma a little bit better. The only plasma that I'm seeing actually is coming, that might be in our direction, is coming off like from that. Might have been a little bit of that whipping around, but there's another one. There was another one that just kind of pops off the bottom here. We could get a little bit from that, but from this guy, it's pretty calm. I don't see any other plasma really come. See, that just kind of comes off to the side, so that might miss us. But oh, you guys see those friends? Lots of friends. But everybody stay safe out there, though. Keep your eyes open. Eyes to the sky. Look around you, see what's going on. And over here at 193 angstroms of light, well, we can see the plasma lifting off. We can see the little pops coming off of here, but you guys notice this symbol right here? Looks like a V, doesn't it? Or like an upside down Star Trek symbol. That's pretty interesting. V for Vendetta. Virillion. The Virils. I don't know. Villain. It's quite interesting, don't you think? Here we are at 211 angstroms of light. Look at this coming around the sun right here. What is that? Just kind of hanging out there. That's pretty interesting. Look at that. Ooh, that was a nice plasma release. We got these little plasma tornadoes going on in the sun, and something perfectly round just kind of shows up there. You see the plasma just kind of spinning around in a circle, like a vortex. But moving on. We can clearly see where our coronal holes are at, so we are definitely getting some solar winds. When this comes around and is more Earth-facing, we're going to get quite a bit of effect from this guy here. And we also have one down at the south and the North Pole. Another thing I want to notice is, look at this. There's another round object here, and you can kind of see things moving, but look at these tornadoes. They're like plasma tornadoes, but they're all bending down towards this object. Like this object is sucking the energy off of it right here. And it just kind of looks like it's rotating. Give that a look. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Do you guys see the vortex going on here? Do you guys see all of this bending down, going towards this area, this whatever object is over here sucking it? Are you guys seeing that? Let me know in the comments. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. That way we can bring awareness to people on what's going on out in the sun. And remember that love is the only way forward. No fear. Eyes open.